Hey there, I'm Kevin Downey, and I run an agency called Kevin M. Downey where we help B2B companies with their sales and marketing efforts. You can visit our website at kevinmdowney.com. Okay, today's topic, the secret to business development success in B2B and business-to-business companies. Very, very simple formula. And I'm showing you an assessment result on the screen. I talk about this in other videos, but it's a three-part formula for success in business development. And then I'm talking about manualized business development, not using high volume automated email, right? So you've got to have, reps got to have the individual hardwiring that is got them built for business development, whether they're a dedicated business development rep or they're a sales rep that needs to do business development for themselves. KUBE, knowledge, understanding, belief, emotion. They must be trained on your products and services so that they have the knowledge, therefore the understanding, ultimately the belief, and they carry with that, from that belief, emotion in their day-to-day work. Emotion sells. Very, very important in the formula for business development success. And finally, they got to have a process. You got to have a honed-in process for your reps. Again, whether they're dedicated business development or sales, got to have a process for business development, right? Got to have the list, right way to keep track of everything. How do they do follow-ups and callbacks? When do they send emails and when don't they? All of that kind of stuff when we build that for clients. That's what we're showing them. You've got to have a hardcore process. So again, three things. They got to have the hardwiring. They've got to be built for business development. Again, and I've talked about this in other videos, only 15% of all applicants we get, candidates, going through our assessment, okay, are going to be good or strong or good, strong being higher, for business development, whether dedicated sales reps or dedicated business development reps. Only 15%. So 85% aren't even a match for business development. They've got to believe. They've got to have the right training. Got to train them on your products and services to the point that they're a believer, that they carry the message with conviction, with emotion day to day. Every day it fuels them, it converts, it helps them with their voicemails, their calls, and everything they're doing. And then finally they got to have a process so that they can just do it over and over again and they don't have to think about it. A very honed in, proven process. Okay? So that's how you do it, business development in B2B. If you need any help, reach out to us, kevinmdowney.com. Thanks so much for being here. Really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.